What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna be discussing about the reviews of the Mudrex, and now we're gonna see if Mudrex is actually legit or is it a scam or something else. And let's dive right into it. We're gonna use Trustpilot and Reddit for the reviews. So here you guys can see that it's the official Mudrex company with the verified company badge and registered domain name ownership. So we're not gonna make some false assumption based on some false reviews. We're gonna read some legit reviews. So here you guys can see that the total overall review rating is 2.1 star, where 63% have rated it 5 star and only 27% have rated 1 star. The diversity is real because there is no in between, unless and it's either 5 star or 1 star. So it could be like some purchase reviews or a totally base reviews. So let's read some of the reviews. So here this person has reviewed it 1 star. Your money would be frozen. When I try to withdraw my money, I encountered a message saying that my country is not supported. Even though I'm based in the EU, surprisingly, when they wanted to take my money, they didn't mention this issue. I was then instructed to contact support. When I reached out, I received an automated response claiming that it takes time to process withdrawal requests, even though I hadn't given the option to withdraw in the first place. I told them that their response was nonsensical and clearly machine generated, but I received the same message again. Are you surprised the YC has backed such a questionable company? So let's read another review. Blocked my country, can't access funds. Same issue with this person. Scummy fees instead of flat fee as most exchange have. They use 2% of withdrawal fees, which so scammy. And it's not like doing the help lower amount of withdrawal, which gets hit with a static fee until a tier, which is more than 2%. So if we go down and read another review, Mudrex is a total fraud team. Worst experience going to remove app from my device. Worst exchange I have seen, I have taken 48. I transfer crypto from the Mudrex to my wallet. Uh, but no credit, still 24 hours. Pro team now not responding. What do I do now? Very bad service experience. I stuck 75,000 rupees crypto with Mudrex. No one responding for this. Not recommended. So best way of investing in crypto in the market. These sort of reviews seems to be like a paid sort of review, so you don't get fooled by these reviews. So let's read some Reddit reviews. Here, a person says that invested $300 back in 2021 and still trying to withdraw them back. They removed the ability to manage the funds through the website and switched to mobile, which isn't accessible in my region. It seems it only available in India. So I couldn't manage my funds once they updated their website. I logged into my account and saw that my funds and rewards are not expired and cannot be withdrawn. Walking in circles through emails now, trying to get my funds back. So this person is stuck in the infinite loop and not gonna get his money back. This is some sort of scam. So guys, be careful and don't invest such in such companies and websites. So be careful and don't waste your money. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.